Tennessee may have 13,000 active registered sex offenders, but not all convictions related to sex will actually land someone on the registry. News Channel 5's Matthew Torres uses a recent disturbing case to explain why.
Clinton Gransden is one of two suspects in Murray County charged with sexually exploiting multiple children. They're accused of taking images of what they did and sending them out. Officials now asking if anyone has information on other potential victims to come forward.
These kinds of folks will put themselves in a position where they have access.
Gransden was convicted in 2015 of facilitation of statutory rape. He pleaded guilty to the lesser charge, which is a Class A misdemeanor. Court documents show the case stemmed from an incident involving a boy younger than 15 years old and a girl at least 19.
Facilitation is, here, take my car. I know you're probably going to rob the bank, maybe, but you've taken my car. I'm not there when this happens. I have facilitated you robbing the bank, for example.
Despite his charge, if you look up Gransden's name on the state sex offender registry list, his name is nowhere to be found. Defense attorney David Rabin says there's a reason for that.
Statutory rape is one of the few sexual offenses where the judge has a discretion to put the person on the registry or not.
Tennessee has a long list of offenses that can land someone on the registry list right away. But statutory rape is different because the law usually considers it was consensual. And in Gransden's case, the law gives discretion since the age difference between victim and defendant is fairly small, no matter if he was facilitating or not.
It may not necessarily justify being on the registry for the rest of that person's life or for a decade.
But now that Gransden faces sexual exploitation of a minor, if guilty, could be registered for 10 years to life. Matthew Torres, News Channel 5.
Thanks, Matthew. There is a difference if the charge was aggravated statutory rape. That means the defendant is more than 10 years old and will have to register as a sex offender.